Food. Ok, press E, press E, press E, press E. Thank you very much. Go out. Oh my god, please. Ah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Ok, Gobi, 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 Gobi. Spexy, you have the second group, okay? You have your
See
group.
them. Nice.
They're coming.
My
Two
group,
guys,
just follow me,
three.
please.
Watch out, please, watch out.
Yeah, in front of B, left side. If
Yeah,
you just manage to
chill,
go.
Yeah, 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 they're
Chill,
coming.
chill, please, please, please. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, bro.
Let them push, that's fine.
Don't push too far ahead.
Oh man, someone replaced YOLO Rage, man. What the fuck?
Boys, come a bit back, come a bit back. I think I can still replace him, maybe.
Can you try to make it, maybe?
Yeah, if he comes online, I can.
Okay, kill him, nice.
Okay, right in front there.
Kill Joseph. Okay, push them on B, push them on B.
Okay, B push, B push.
Nice, keep pushing. Keep pushing, don't stop. Heal yourself. Okay, Spexy, take your group, go
I
away.
think A needs help.
Go away with your group.
Yes,
Spexy, go
Everyone
away.
A, everyone
Oh, I called
Yeah.
A since 1
Eh,
minute.
ta
Ouais.
gueule, c'est bon, gros switch là.
Non mais sérieux quoi, wesh.
Putain.
Okay, ready for the flank, boys?
Ok.
I'm gonna run on the point, okay? Get ready, Come.
Everyone stay on B.
Gonna knock all.
Ouais, groupe on A.
All knocked.
Oh my god. Come back on B. Come back on B. Come back on B. Come back on B. Come back on point. Yeah. Watch the left side. Okay, push. Kill on the point. Nice. Heal.
Kill him.
Don't die. Kill on point. Nice.
Turret left side.
Heal.
It's
Push
stacking a lot right now.
left side, fast. Left side. Everyone left. Group up on me, left side. Pushing left fast. Kill them all. Okay, we kill them, we go back on B, fast. Okay, turn on B, fast.
Cool.
Come back on B, fast.
They have a lot of artillery.
Okay, push them. Push. Nice. Keep pushing. Don't stop. Keep pushing. Push them.
Don't forget the destroy artillery.
Destroy artillery, yes. Nice. Come back on B.
There's something in C. Something in C
Left
right now.
side, left side. Hey, fast. Nice, keep pushing on left. Destroy the cannon, fast.
On C.
Yeah, we need to go and C right now. C.
Go and see fast.
But B's also been.
Yeah, we push C fast, we push C fast.
Okay, jump in the backs, not in front.
Ah.
Okay, clean.
Push C.
On the back right now.
Nice. Group up on point. Group up. Healers on the back. Don't die. Okay, now we push. Healer. Oh putain.
Incoming more.
Left side turret. Bombard, I don't know.
Board. Can we push this to Tyr in front, maybe?
Et push front. Fast.
Destroy artillery, fast.
Melee front. Keep pushing with the melee. Keep pushing them. We push. Nice. Keep pushing. And we go back on B. Flank them.
Healers here.
Go on the Gatling fast.
Zero healers in me. Healers me. Nice, Tony.
Hello, boys?
We need the healing.
Where are you? Hello? Okay, go back. Please, go back. Go back. Go back on be fast. Be fast.
On me, huh?
Et group up on B.
Left, guys.
Left side. We push everyone left side, fast.
Fucking
Don't
artillery.
complain, keep it
Just
up.
push. Stop complaining, push. Push left side. Destroy artillery fast. Don't worry about B, just push.
We go a little bit more front and then backstab to B.
Destroy artillery and go back on B. Destroy
Look at me,
artillery,
look
go
at me.
back on B. Okay, now we go
Flank
back
right
on
now.
B. Go back
I'm
on B.
stunning
Go
all of
back
them,
on B.
stunning them all. All stand.
Melee in.
Every
Go,
single one of them
Go push.
Nice heals, keep it up.
Keep healing. Nice. Push them out. Okay, go on the range. Hello, boys? Oh my god. Putain. Okay, go back on B. Heal up. Okay, go push. Oh my god, man, you are taking so bad damage. Too many range. Go on the Gatling, everyone. Push it. Melee in front, please. Hello. Push middle.
Another cannon.
Push the Gatling. Not the cannon, Gatling. Right side of B. Ah, we are alone. What the fuck? Okay, go back.
We're doing great, worry.
No, we are not doing great at all, man. We are getting shredded. Ok, attends, je vais... I'm gonna kick this piece of shit. Wait. I can't kick him, fuck. Ok, push left side B, push, 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 push. Nice, nice. Push the cannon, push the cannon. Right side B, right side B, right side B, right side B. We need to kill the Gatling. Non mais ça pue sa mère. Go back on B, go back on B. Back off, back off, back off, back off, back off. Please, the range, shoot at the Gatlings. Gatlings.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, push left side, fast, fast, turn. Push them out, Left side. Okay, kill. Keep pushing left. Kill them. Nice. Keep pushing left. Destroy the mortar. Nice, good job. Go back on B. Okay, behind us. Fast. Behind us. Behind left. Gatling. Behind B. Everyone, behind B. Push fast. Melee front. Smexy with me.
Oh, fuck the fuck was that? Don't let them get inside the thingy.
Push left. Okay, let them go out. Okay. Destroy the cannon. Kill this bitch. Don't let them run. Nice. Kill him.
Thank you.
Destroy the Gatling.
Okay, go see. Destroy Gatling, go see. Fast.
Help on C.
Yeah, we know, we're coming. Just go on point. Group up, go on point.
We will lose the B, huh? Because everybody do.
Okay, keep pushing. Push C. Push the Gatling on C. Group up on the Gatling, everyone.
We need help on B, eh?
No, B.
B now, huh? Big push.
Chill. Go back B fast.
A big blow bank. We can engage in soon. Just waiting for you guys a little bit.
Go back B, everyone B.
Run fucking fast right now. I'm gonna engage very soon. We're gonna take everyone. Engaging. Stunning everyone.
Go.
Stunning.
Push. Melee in. Nice, good job.
Yeah, there we fucking go.
Keep pushing, hein. Don't stop pushing.
Clean the rest.
Oh.
Yeah, we need to push the fucking artillery.
Push the Gatling.
Yeah. One guy.
Destroy the Gatling.
Push the Gatling left. Gatling left. Let B. And revive your friends, please. When you can.
Nice. All the artillery.
Kill the artillery and go back. Nice, nice.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, go back now, go back now, go back now, go back now. Don't take damage. Heal yourself, don't die. Range,
Right
kill
side
the
complete.
artillery. Okay, right side B, right side B, right side B, fast, fast, fast. Push right side, in the rocks, in the rocks. Everyone in the rocks, in the rocks. Kill the
Careful with the
Gatling.
Gatling.
Nice, good job, kill the Gatling.
I think they're gonna push C, I think.
Yeah, chill.
Okay. Kill off this artillery.
Kill the artillery, kill the artillery. Don't let them set up anything actually. Okay, go back C, go C, go C fast, go C fast, go C fast. We clean C, we go back on B. Fast. We go behind them, go on the Gatling. Backline, backline. Everyone, C please, everyone.
All flank here. Go.
Nice. Kill the Gatling. Nice. The
Okay,
Gatling and go back. Kill the Gatling and go back, and we go B back. Okay, go B, go B, go B, go B, go B. Okay, go, go, melee in, melee in, melee in. Fast, 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 fast.
Nice. Go in and wipe. Go in and wipe. Engaging.
Nice.
I'm going on the bank line right now. Nice. We can actually push the back line if we have more.
Push them, push them, push them, push them, push them, push them. Don't die, Spec, don't die, don't die, don't die.
Gatling left, Gatling left.
Come back, come back, come back, come back. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die.
They're still camping. We need to take this.
Yeah, I know, I
Can we
know, I
push?
know. We are not enough, just wait. Don't die, just don't die, just don't die. Chill out, chill out. I'm dead. Push the Gatling on the left. Gatling on the left. Left B, everyone, left B. Gatling, go on the Gatling, everyone.
Ah,
I want
Reload
all
shit,
the range,
reload
focus
shit,
the player
reload
on the
shit.
artillery, please.
We are gonna losing C.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
B
B's
is
not too
down.
dead, no. I can spawn on B. Do we still have people fighting B? No.
Yeah, there is too many on B. I don't know how they can lose C actually, what the fuck. We will lose B, we will lose B, we can't. Go C, go C, go C, go C, go C, go C. And kill those fucking Gatling, please, guys. Focus. Oh. Okay, no, oh my god, go. Ah, we lose B, hein. Go back on C, go back on C, go back on C, go back on C. Leave B, leave B, leave B, leave B, leave B. Go C.
Yeah.
Just push front C, front C, front C.
They're all coming
Don't
from
let
the
them
left
set
side of
up.
C right now.
Yeah, we know, we know. Don't let them set up.
Putting down the artillery.
Okay, push the artillery, artillery, Gatling, Gatling, go push, go push, go
Yeah,
push,
pushing
go
now,
push.
pushing now, pushing now.
Push them, push them, push them, push them, push them. Go push, don't stop, just push.
Kill the big gun.
Push on the rocks. Nice. Deny them from shooting. Go push on the rocks, go push on the rocks, everyone.
On it.
Just
They
keep
start-
pushing.
We need to destroy those.
No, push.
Gatling.
Push,
Up rocks,
push.
up rocks. Push the high ground. We need hills on the high ground. On the high ground, yes.
Take the top of the rocks. Now we kill the Gatlings. Kill the mortar on the top of the rocks. Yeah, I know.
He needs flank.
Okay.
All the on the rocks, we need to flank to see.
Okay, flank,
Sorry, another Gatling.
Back,
Behind him,
Go
behind him.
Gatling on the... Oh putain.
All stun the
Kill
point.
those Gatling.
We need AoE on point.
Range, please, you need to kill the fucking Gatling, please. All the range, focus the Gatling. Okay, go on point. Oh my god, that's a fucking mess.
We need that.
Go on point, don't die. Go on point.
All stun on point.
Okay,
Yeah,
go back to
fought,
the
fought,
gates. Go back to the gates.
The fuck? I'm in loading screen? Ah!
Guys, you can buy mines.
Please, range. I want the range on the cannon, please. On the cannon and the Gatlings, please.
I'm on it.
Not the healers, only the range. Defend the gate. Group up. Stop running like pussy, please. Kill the solo player, nice. Push now. Yeah, push them out the force. Yeah, go inside.
Don't push out.
Destroy back gate. Range, take high ground. I want all the range on high ground.
My game crashed. Fucking shit.
I have this float bug. Got the net.
Fuck.
Emi, il finit pas de gate, ce mec-ci.
Yeah, they want to fucking push bro.
We are fine. Don't stay in front of the gate, please. Don't stay in front of the gate. Imagine you are in C-beam. Don't stay in front of the gate. Let them push. Okay, go push right gate. Inside. Nice. Don't let them in. Don't stay in front of the gate. Okay, go on the left side of the gate. Don't get shoot.
Some of them running in.
If they enter, we kill them.
Right side of the gate right now. All stuns, yeah.
Nice.
Guys, we can repair the gate.
Yeah, chill.
Okay, we'll go next.
I know behind us.
Left gate now, yeah.
Revive your friends, please, boys. I swear. Stop looking on them.
Right gate, in, right side. Stunning. One guy's running towards the walls.
Yeah, kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill the guy alone, kill the guy alone.
On pat. Well, you got him. Yeah, you got him.
Now you got teleported outside the battle.
Okay, back gate, turn, back gate. Okay, that's fine, go back to the main gate. Don't stay in front of the gate.
Careful with the artillery. Don't push the artillery as well.
Don't push out, stay inside.
Left gate a little bit. Yeah, pushing through left gate. Huge push.
Okay, turn.
Inside, on the walls,
Left
in the
gate.
back. They're on our walls right
Turn.
now.
Yeah, on the wall, watch.
Okay, take the high ground.
They are coming in through the red gate too.
Yeah.
High ground first.
We cannot lose this point.
I know.
Mom, 1 minute.
I'm going for stuns to the
Chill
right.
out.
Stunning on the right.
Hey, come with me, Nini.
Good job. Keep it up. It's still on the walls.
Right gate. Don't let them push.
Running through left gate right now. Okay, 30 seconds. Stunning right gate.
Job.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's our first wars,
Stressful.
boys. First war.
Amazing.
In my opinion, artillery has too much HP, man.
Artillery is strong in this
Way
game.
too
bro.
much.
It's
Imagine we attack without even using that shit, bro. I mean,
Can you see the rankings of the performance?
imagine if we use that shit for attack, yeah?
Yeah. Just look, it was stupid, man. You punch with 10 hero more than 5 minutes.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
But GG will play, boys. GG will play. Yeah. YOLO Reach, hein. Es war YOLO.
Oh.
YOLO.
Hello, guys.
Hello, my brother, friend brother.
Ja, chicos,
I crashed into last moment.
Yes,
cannot-
you did.
I cannot see the scores.
Yeah.
Thank you. I like to look at the. I like the healing and stuff. Whatever.
So many assistants.
So Jolo won me again.
Makes it that's all.
That's all, my brother,
Punch,
friend. GG will play.
Puncho the first.
Oh
With-
my god.
7 millions damage. Oh my god.